Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device POCO F4 5G. So if in this device POCO F4 5G you want to know about the dual WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp but you want to download another same WhatsApp in your device, you can easily download the second WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp by the methods I will tell you. Before starting it, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will learn how you can download a dual WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch it.